Hi viewers, hope you are enjoying life and growing in your career. Today my topic is just-in-time strategy for streamlining the supply chain system. So let's move to our topic without any further delay. Just-in-time strategy has emerged as a highly effective approach for streamlining supply chain system in various industries. The core principle of JIT revolve around the timely delivery of goods and materials, minimizing excess inventory and waste while optimizing efficiency. One key benefit of JIT is its ability to enhance cost effectiveness. By reducing inventory holding cost and eliminating the need for extensive warehouse space, companies can allocate resources more efficiently. This lean inventory model also minimizes the risk of obsolete stock, ensuring that products stay current in the dynamic market. Additionally, JIT fosters improved communication and collaboration within the supply chain, with a focus on synchronized production schedules and prompt deliveries. Suppliers, manufacturers, and distributors can work seamlessly together. This real-time coordination not only reduces lead time but also enhances overall responsiveness to market fluctuation. Moreover, JIT contributes to quality control by promoting continuous improvement and defect prevention. With smaller batch size and quicker production cycle, companies can promptly identify and rectify issues, leading to higher quality product reaching the end consumer. This quality-centric approach contributes to increased customer satisfaction and loyalty. However, it is essential to note that implementing a JIT strategy requires robust and reliable supply chain partnerships. Close relationships with suppliers are critical to ensure a steady flow of material. Additionally, the integration of advanced technologies such as data analysis and automation is imperative for precise demand forecasting and efficient order fulfillment. In conclusion, the just-in-time strategy serves as a powerful tool for streamlining the supply chain system. It emphasizes on reducing waste, enhancing collaboration, and improving overall efficiency, position businesses to thrive in today's competitive market landscape. As industries continue to evolve, embracing JIT principle can be a strategic imperative for sustained success. Thank you very much. Please like, subscribe and share so that the other could get the benefit from this information. Thank you very much.